Alright, awesome, beautiful set of people. Welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your arbitrage e-commerce business online. Get to meet me. My name is 𝐶𝐤 𝐓𝐵, and of course, this is 𝐷𝐼ON Hub Logistics. So here, in a very quick one, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can sign up your Bybit account, how you can start trading crypto, how you can verify it from A to Z, right? So let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your app store, Play Store, and download a Bybit app, right? So after you download it, you open it. This is what you should see. Okay, so by default, after this screen show up, just click on sign up here. Then you want to click on allow, right? So now we have two means of creating an account. You can either use your email or you use your phone number. So I'm going to be using my phone number here. So I'm going to input my phone number, right? After I input my phone number, then I will input my preferred password. Make sure this password is very, very strong, that nobody can have access to it. All right, so that haven't been done. You can also use my link. You can use my referral link to, I'm going to be leaving the link under the description button. I'm going to pin it under the comment section, so you can just one tap on it and takes you to Bybit directly. So once you're done like this, you want to click on sign up. Okay, so after clicking on sign up, it's going to load up, and I think you are going to just bypass this puzzle here by dragging it to the right hand side. So let me just retry it. I think that does not work, so let me just try to drag it again, right? So this has been completed, just to confirm if you are a verified, if you are not a robot. So they said temporarily this is not available for you, so let's use our email. So what I'm going to do here is to input my email address here, right? So once you're done inputting your email address, you want to click on sign up, right? So I think there is an issue there with me signing up with my number, so we can always use our email address, right? So let's wait for this code to come up. So here comes the code 6535. So let me say 6535. Then we have 68, right? So you are going to input the code, and it's going to welcome you to Bybit. So now you need to start verifying your ID card. So the first thing you want to do is to click on verify now. Make sure you verify before trading. It's not even going to allow you to trade, to be on a safer side. So now the first thing you want to do is to upload the proof of your identity. So this have to do with any means of identification, right? So now the first thing is to click on where we have proof of identity by clicking on verify. So by default, it has automatically issued my region by default, which is what? Nigeria. So you can also change your region if you're not in Nigeria. So the document accepted by Bybit is your BVN, your ID card, and your driver's license, your passport, your residential permit. So you can see here that BVN is the most recommended ID type, which is the document type that is more faster. So I'm going to stick around with what? BVN. This video is proudly sponsored by 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 Educational Services. If you have been willing to travel to the US, to the UK, to France and Canada to study, maybe educational purposes, or you want to maybe use the medium to relocate, 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 Educational Limited is the right choice for you. What 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 basically does is they help you process admission to any university or any college or any institution in the UK, US, France, but basically right now they are offering admission into the university of different universities in the UK. Maybe you want to go and do your master, or you want to go and do bachelor degrees. This is the right opportunity for you. The benefit of using 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 services includes the guidance. They are going to guide you, and also they are also going to be putting you through some things that you really wish to know in terms of what? Counseling. They are going to be counseling you on the right services you need to do, on how to go about it, and also they are going to be assisting you on your application visa fee, right? Maybe you have issues with your visa, they are going to be assisting you with that. And also another benefit of using 𝐸CAS services is that they offer free consultation. Maybe you want to consult them, you want to ask them questions, you want to ask them about their tuition fee. Is it instrumental payment, which I believe they are also doing instrumental payment, right? So you can pay your school fees instrumentally. And another benefit is that they can help you do what? Secure the they are going to help you secure this admission. All right, once they help you secure it, then you have to, it's not as if you're going to be making a full payment. You're not making a full payment, you're just going to make your part payments. And once your application and the institution give you what, once they give you the admission, then you now complete your tuition fee. Also, they are going to be helping you with accommodations, and they're going to be giving you post-study work permits. They are going to help you process all these things, right? These are things they offer. Maybe you want to school there, you want to go there to school, and you also want to be working at the same time in the UK. They are going to help you process your work permit that will give you access to start working from what? From UK, and you go to school at the same time. Help you with all these services, and they will analyze it for you on how it. They are not charging you for any agency fee or any consultation fee. If you want to consult them, you are free to consult them for free. All right, just tell them when you're messaging them, I'm going to be leaving their contact. They are Nigeria. They have offices here in Nigeria, in the UK, and in the US, right? So you can contact them with the number displaying on your screen. Just tell them it is from Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Wherever you might be watching from, maybe outside Nigeria, Ghana, US, you are eligible to study. So they are not charging you for consultation. You can just go there to make inquiry. Just text them, ask for their processes. How are they? If it actually sounds like what you're interested in. So why don't you just join the winning group to do what? To japa and relocate to what? To UK directly. All right. So you can just contact them today and see how they works. And click on continue. So I'm going to click on allow. So once I click on allow, it will load this tab and it will takes me to, so it will takes me to the next page where I want to choose where I presently reside, right? So I'm going to set I reside country except USA, right? So I'm just going to click on continue. All right, so once I click on continue, here you want to do what? Verify your personal informations, and then you take a selfie. So you click on continue here. So this is Nigeria here. Then okay, you're going to input your BVN and your last number, which I'm presently going to be doing shortly. I've input my BVN and the last name on my account. So I'm just going to click on continue. So it's going to verify your email, it's going to verify your BVN, and it's going to verify your name. So you can see it says data accepted. So now I will need to do what? I will need to do my facial verification presently now. So what I will do, make sure there is enough lighting. You can see here. So I'm just going to look straight to the camera. So it's going to verify the process. So you can see here the face scanning is also completed, right? So it's going to take you to the next verification step. So after it's confirmed that you are the one doing and setting up this account, it will verify your information directly if you are sure that the data you provided are all correct. So let's wait for this guy to load up. It says loading takes longer than usual, so it says we should just wait. So sometimes you always get this one is sure. So you want to do what? You want to click on try again and still try to do what? Set it up again. So you can see here it says my details and verification is under review, and you can see here that it's completed. So now from unverified, now you can see that it says assessment identity is under processing. So within 30 minutes here, they should confirm my assessment. They should confirm all my verification. So after they confirm it, you can now start trading your BTC, your any coin at all on Bybit, and you can also use any platform to send and receive it to Bybit, you can send from Binance, you can send via any platform directly. So now, how do you check if your identity information has been, or you want to check the progress? Just come under where we have unverified. You see my verification step, just click on it. So it will show you here that you've already upload the level 1, which is your identity assessment. So you want to click on confirm. So you have to wait till some moment. I'm going to take you through all this process where I'm going to pause this video, and once this account is fully verified, I'll let you know and take you to the next step so you can do the right thing at the right time. Okay, so guys, after some minutes, just 1 minute after I recorded the last video, you can see here they sent me an email that our account is now ready to use and it's verified. They said, "Dear trader, we are pleased to inform you that your identity verification standard has been approved." Right, so now let's head over to our Bybit app to check if this was truly verified or not. So you can see here we now have access to deposits for P2P trading and what for any other conversion that we want to do on this app. How do you know if your account is fully verified? Just come to your profile here and check. You can see here that this ID, where we have ID verification. So you can see right now that our account is fully verified now. So you can later complete your what? You can later complete your identity verification in advance if you want to be doing a bigger transaction. So you can just click on this proof of address here to verify it. Although I've tried to verify it before this time, but it wasn't working. So you can always check back to do what? To upgrade the type of transactions that you want to be doing. But for a starter, you don't actually need to verify your proof of address. You can always use this without doing a proof of address, since your account has successfully been verified for level 1. So this is just the advanced trading. Do you understand? So there is a limit to it. Do you get it? So but you can still be trading, you can still be using this one to trade. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial. If you find value in watching today's tutorial, like the video, share it, and also do well to subscribe. I will see you in my next tutorial.